Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet summer earrings. As you can see here, I've made them. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then I'm going to come here and make a slip knot. I'm going to tighten this. I'm going to make chain of 3, 1, 2 and 3. Going to come here, right here in the center. You can see going to make all round double crochets. Then we're going to come here. You can see this space over here. So we're going to come right on top this stitch, pull through that way and make a slip knot. Then to go in the next stitch and to make a slip knot, second stitch, make a slip knot, third stitch, make a slip knot, fourth one, slip knot, and the fifth one, slip knot that way. Then going to just like that way. As you can see, this one, I'm going to come here. You see this hook here, so going to turn around our work and come here. Like so. Just press it a little bit that way. And see, this is how it's going to look like. And yeah, this is how it's going to come out. So we have two pair of our summer earrings, so you can use this as your daily basis uses, or you can use in any function as you like. And the kind of hook I have used is 1.5 mm, and the yarn I'm using is it's a cotton pearl yarn number 8, and it's an orange color. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share for people who want to learn how to make this summer circular crochet earrings. So till my next video, bye bye.